Now we will see how to see units and change units in CATIA. Go to the menu bar and in that you will see Tool. Click on it. After clicking, search for option in it. Select option. A dialog will pop up on the screen. On the leftmost side of the dialog you will see different setting. If you are unable to see it clearly, zoom in by pressing Ctrl and scroll button together. Now go to parameter and measurement. Now see the right side of the dialog. On top side you will see unit. Click on it. You will see the default unit as millimeter. You can change it by clicking on it and set it according to your use. I am going to use the default for the entire tutorial series. After selecting, click OK. And your units are set.